This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Hyundai Ioniq. First, locate the cruise control buttons on your steering wheel, typically on the right side. Press the cruise button to activate the system. You'll see a green indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming it's ready. This initial step prepares your vehicle for setting a desired speed, making your highway drives more relaxed and efficient. Once cruise control is active, accelerate to your desired cruising speed. Then, simply press the SET button on your steering wheel. Your Hyundai Ioniq will now automatically maintain that speed. You can remove your foot from the accelerator pedal, allowing for a more comfortable driving experience on long stretches of road. It's a great way to reduce fatigue. To adjust your speed, use the RES Plus button to increase it or the SET button to decrease it, typically in 1 mile per hour increments. If you need to temporarily disengage cruise control, simply press the cancel button or lightly tap the brake pedal. To resume your last set speed, press the RES Plus button again. This offers flexibility and control while driving. When you're finished using cruise control, press the cruise button again to completely turn off the system. The green indicator light on your dashboard will then disappear. Remember, even with cruise control engaged, you must always remain attentive to road conditions and be prepared to take manual control of your vehicle at any time. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.